Sky, let's go ahead today and work on some wrist stretches. Taking a kneeling position, starting with your fingertips facing forward, really pressing into the fingertips here, tipping your weight forward, playing with distributing your weight side to side, maybe drawing a bit of circles here. Noticing where you may need an extra stretch. Rotating the eyes of the elbows forward. And then rotating the hands inward. Trying to have straightened arms, but not completely locked out. Breathing, swaying side to side. Maybe finding those circles with your torso. Taking a few more deep breaths. And then rotating fingertips. Keep rotating outwards until your fingertips are facing your knees. Stretching out through the forearms, tip your weight back and forward, eyes of the elbows still rotating forward here. And notice what's happening with your upper body. Roll your shoulders down and back. Make sure they're not shrugging towards your ears. Keep a stable core, belly button to your spine. Next up, we're going to lift our palms off of the earth and then press them back down. Inhale, lift. Exhale, pressing. So still pressing into your fingertips. Just working with the palms here. A few more. This is something that is absolutely incredible to add before a workout. To warm up those wrists. Next, flipping onto the tops of the hands, fingertips face forward. And the same little movement side to side, forward and back, whatever feels nice. Last big breath. Rotating again, the fingertips in towards the knees. So from here, you're going to take your thumbs towards your pinkies, bend your elbows, and then straighten out the arms, releasing the thumbs. Then taking the thumbs to your pinkies, bending the elbows, rotating the eyes of the elbows forward. Keep finding that rotation. If this is too intense, you can always place your weight further back behind you. If you need a little more, shift your weight forward. Last bit, we're going to lift our thumbs off of the earth as high as you can lift those thumbs while shifting your weight forward. Notice, can you hold for a big breath or two and then lower down? Keep this motion going. Keep pressing into your fingertips. And then gently shake out the hands, release the wrists. Thank you so much for joining me. This was Flow with Sky. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll catch you next week.